In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a domain with GoHighLevel website. By the end, you'll have your custom URL pointing to your GoHighLevel funnel or website so visitors can reach you at a professional address. First, open your GoHighLevel account and head to the project where your site or funnel lives. From there, go to Settings. You'll usually find this as a gear icon or a settings option in the left-hand menu. This is where all the key configuration for your location is managed. Next, select Domains and URL Redirects. This section is your hub for everything related to custom domains, subdomains, and any redirects you might add later. It's the right place to connect your brand's URL to the assets you've built inside GoHighLevel. Now, click Connect a Domain. This starts the guided flow that tells GoHighLevel what kind of connection you want and where to point it. You'll see a few choices: email, WordPress, client portal, and branded domain. These categories help route your domain to the correct destination or feature. Email is for connecting domain-based email services. WordPress is for external WordPress sites. Client portal is for giving clients a branded login experience. Branded domain is for customizing GoHighLevel hosted assets under your own domain. Since we're connecting a site or funnel, we'll continue with the option specifically intended for that. Choose the funnel, website, store, blog, or webinar option, then click Connect. This tells GoHighLevel you want the domain to serve one of your GoHighLevel hosted properties so it can prepare the right configuration behind the scenes. When prompted, add the domain you want to use. You can enter a root domain like example.com or a subdomain such as example.com, shop.example.com, or events.example.com. Enter only the domain, no HTTP, HTTPS, or extra slashes. A quick tip: many users prefer connecting a subdomain like www to keep the root domain flexible for other services. Also, double-check spelling. A small typo can keep the connection from working. Finally, click Continue. At this point, GoHighLevel saves your domain choice and prepares it for use. You may see prompts or status messages while the system sets up security certificates and, if needed, provides DNS guidance in your account. That's normal. If you're asked to review anything later, simply return to the same domains and URL redirects area to check on progress. Propagation can take a little time, so don't worry if it doesn't switch instantly. And that's it. You navigated to Settings, opened Domains and URL Redirects, connected a domain, chose the correct destination, added your domain, and continued to finalize the setup. Once it's ready, your GoHighLevel site will be live at your own branded URL.